Hello everyone, I am Sarwar Jony. My student ID is 2217046. Currently I am pursuing my undergraduate from Department of Urban and Regional Planning and Khulna University of Engineering and Technology Khulna, Bangladesh. And today I am going to present to you that the exploring of ArcGIS tools. This is the class number 3 and this will cover under the course name GIS and Remote Sensing Studio, and course number is URP 3182. Okay, today's topics are the customized scroll bar, like zoom in, zoom out. How can we customize it? Then difference between shapefile and layer. Then we will import data and then we will work with it, several types of chart and others, like in symbology. And then we will use the save as layers. Then we will import the layer data for the classifying same class. Then we will work with the multiple leveling using expression. Then we will work with the cholera data of Dr. John Snow in the uh, very very early of cholera when it was situated in London. Okay, these topics will be covered today's video. And let's open the ArcGIS desktop. Here is the ArcGIS desktop. At first we will show how can we customize our scroll bar like this. Okay, to understand betterly, I am just adding a base map. Okay, let's see imagery base map I am adding here, and it will take a little bit time. And here it's taken and now it's loading. Yeah, like this one, if we see that the zoom bar is scrolling zoom in zoom out, sometimes it's make difference from the other software like AutoCAD and others Adobe software. And for this reason you sometimes you need to change this scroll bar zoom in zoom out. And for this we just go to customize button, then arc map option, then we can select it from zoom in or zoom out as we wish. I am having the zoom out and having apply and OK. And for this, when I scroll it, it will zoom in, and while I scroll down, it will be zoom out. Okay. Then our second topic was difference between shapefile and layer. Okay. For this one, I'm just removing these things, and it being removed. I am adding data for my showing purpose. And for adding data, I will just go for this one and lab one BD data, and I am adding just BD admin data. And when I have this data, I'm just copying this one, and this. These are three layer. Okay, but source file is only one. That the source file is this one, but I have changed it. And then if I change the color to, let's see what happened. Now I have the different color also. If I show you, if I uncheck this one, then check this one, that means here are three different layer available here. And now these are the layers, okay, not shape file. There is only one shape file but three layers, okay. And if we work with any one, it will work for all, and that is why the source file is only one, okay. For better understanding, we can use drawing from drawing tools or editor tools. And editor toolbar is here. Here is the editor toolbar. At first I have to open the start editing, and it says which one I want. I am telling that I will work for all, and then I can cut the polygon, and it says me to select, and it is being selected. And now I want to cut this one, like say here to here, okay. And here it's been cut it, right? And if I show you right now, it's being carded for all shapefile. And why this one happens? Because the shapefile was one source file, but the layer was different, and that's why it cuts all the layers. Okay, hope that you got the difference between layer and shapefile. Thank you. And next we will go for our next topic. Okay, I'm just removing this one. I'm just removing this one too, and this one. Okay, at first, okay, I'm removing this one. If not I need, I will get, sorry, and removing. I don't want to save my edits, and then I will work with the third thing, that the chart and other things. And for this one I need to uh, add data. And for this one, population density of Sirajganj, I am just adding this one. And this is the basic things, and from the previous lecture we can label it and change the color. For doing this one, I will just double click here and then label, show feature, word name, and okay, it's being the named. And now I want to change its color. For doing this, categories, and I'm just having, let's say, a color ramp like this one, and add all values, and just taking this one, and it's maybe 15, right? And it says okay. Here is the all color available in this map, okay. Now if I want to add the bar chart using the density, okay, for this one I'll just quantify, then color is, sorry, chart. I will go for chart, and field value, let's say I'm just using the density of 22, 30, 50, and 80. All density are available here, and background color it says this one. I will say no background color. Okay, no color. Then okay, and color scheme is this one going showing good. Now I'm just changing the color name. Okay, and that will be easy to understand. And apply. Okay, it's set as the pie chart. Okay, but I don't want to get the pie chart. For this one I want to get the bar chart. Okay, when I will click bar chart, and it will apply, and okay, it's showing like this one. Now I want to make it 3D. Okay, and how can I make it? For this one, properties, and here is the display 3D, and how much thickness I want. It says this one, and I can also click the properties for leader line. If I need it, it will work. If I don't need the leader line, I will click here and OK and OK and apply, then OK. This one is 3D of the chart. Okay, and next topic is save as layer and import layer to classify. And why we use this? We use this for taking the classes from a before adding data. And for this one I will just go to the layer properties symbology, then quantities, and value will be the population density of 50. Okay, and these are the color ramp, and if I click OK, here this is the things. And now I want to define the difference. Okay, for this one I will just click classify, and then here is the all datas, and I will click this one for 20k, like say 20k, then it will be the 30k, 10k difference, then it will be the 40k, then it will be the 50k, and last value I should not change because it's fixed. Okay, and I am clicking OK, and then OK. Here is the changing values here for density 50. Okay, but right now I am on to another value for density 20. Okay, for doing this I'm just copy this one, and it's been copied, and now I want to get this one, and now I want to check this one from, let's say, uh, I can if I use here density 22. Now if I click apply, and it's being changed. Okay, and the difference being also changed, right? And I am clicking OK. Okay, to show you the difference. Okay, here is the difference, and here is the difference. This one is 50 and this one is 20. Okay, and right now here some values are being levels are being doubled, right? And I want to remove this one. For this one I will just click any one, and then level, then placement, then remove duplicate level, and OK and OK. Okay, and this been removed, maybe yes. And now I am wanting this one too, and placement, and remove duplicate, and OK, then OK, and it works. Okay, Then I want to get these types of classes here for fixed. Okay, now how can I doing this one? To do this one, at first I have to save it as layer. Okay, for saving as the save as layer, I'm just checking this one, and I'm checking this, and I'm just right clicking here and then save as layer file. Okay, then here is my file and I am saving it here. Okay, and I'm clicking save. Okay, as it is my previous file, and I am replacing it. Okay, and this being replaced. Right now I am just clicking here, then I will just go for symbology, and here is the classify. Before clicking the classify, here is my minimum values and here is my maximum values, right? And I am just importing a file. Here is the population density. Okay, if I don't find this one, I can just click here and search it from the directory. Okay, as I have, I'm just clicking here and add OK. Then I'm just clicking here that the complete symbology definition, and then I am clicking OK. And here it says the value field is for the 50, but I need to change it for the density 22. Then OK, and it's being changed, and I am just clicking OK to show you the difference are same. Okay, here you see the first value is here and first value is here, but here a little bit problem. If I show you, if I just remove this one, that the sum values are being cleared. It shows that there is no data available here, but this data is available here, but it is the far from the range, and that's why it's being incompleted or empty, right? And to fix this one, I will just double click here, and then I will just use the uh, classify, and then sampling, and it's being 0. Then OK, it says the maximum reached, no record will be used, and I will just click OK. And here after clicking OK, here I am clicking OK. Here you see that is the minimum values, and that's being it's changed. Okay, and just now I am clicking apply and OK, and here it changes easily, right? And it's being for the density 22, and this is for density 50, right? And this was for the savage layer and import data for classifying. And then we will use the multiple leveling using expression. How can we level it? For leveling it, I am just removing one data, and I am just double clicking here to open the properties, then leveling. Then it says what kinds of leveling I want. I need to expression. Then here it says this is the expression, let's say the word name. Then I want to show him the density of 22. Then I will just click append, and just things here is the way. And if I append the, let's say the 50 also, and then if I click verify, and yes, it shows correctly. Okay, but I want to use comma in between of these values. Okay, for using comma, I have to use and let's see, uh, a double quotation, then comma, then double quotation, and before this maybe I have to use and, then comma, then and if I now verify this one, let's see it's work or not. It says error in 138 syntax. Okay, and for this one we can uncheck this. I'm just clicking comma here, and okay, and if I verify it, it's work well, and clicking OK, then OK, then OK. Here is the values are multiple labeling, multiple name labeling. Okay, and this was for this data. Next time I will work with the cholera data. To work with this I will just go for a new data. Okay, and I'm clicking OK. It says I will save or not. I'm clicking OK. I will save it, and let's see, I'm saving it. Okay, I don't want to save it. I'm just need to go. Okay, I don't want to save this one. Why I will take new one? Because the projection system may be different of these two datas. Okay, and that's why I'm taking a separate new files here. Then I will just create a catalog, and here is the geodatabase snow cholera. Snow means Vignani John Snow was discovered this data and work with this to discover the cholera symptom, how it's spread, right? For this one, here is the study area, then water pump, then dead case, okay, then Jon Snow map. I don't need this map, but I'm just clicking Jon Snow map. I am removing this one. This one is not needed. Then this data is enough for this one. Okay, at first I will work with the water pump, and then here is the water pump. If I search pump, or at first I search the tube well. If is got then well, tube well, there is no tube well. Tube, there is only tube. If I search for pump, then there are separate types of pumps here. I'm using this pump. Okay, natural gas or industrial or fuel pump, there are difference here. Storm sewage pump, I'm storm sewage pump point. I'm using this one. Okay, and maybe other things too, but I'm using this. I'm clicking OK, and there is the pumps details, right? And here is the depth address, and address can be changed as I wish. Okay, here like this one, then other things, but I want to work with the quantifies or quantities. Okay, I'll just double click here, then I will click symbology, then quantities, then gradually colors or gradual symbols are proportional. I can use from here. I am using the graduate colors. Okay, and using the number of case. Okay, and then it will text like this, then OK here. And if I work with the graduate symbols, it will be the smaller then bigger, okay, and like this. And we can also change its color using manually. I don't want to get this. And that is the way to change the data showing. And this was all for today. Thank you. Thanks for watching this video.